Once again, in graphical presentation of data, we have discussed how to draw line diagram, how to draw histogram, and how we can calculate the value of mode with the help of the histogram is over there. In today's video, we will know how many types of the frequency curve may be. There are so many types of the frequency curve. With the help of the frequency curve, we can calculate the partition value also, we can calculate the median also. So in today's video, we will learn how to do this. So the very first we should having the discussion on the types of the frequency curve. One frequency curve is called the normal curve. In normal curve, our frequency firstly increases and at the same speed it decreases. So it's a bell-shaped curve, and the value of x bar is equal to m is equal to z. So such kind of the frequency curve will be called normal curve of the frequency. Sometimes the frequency once decreases and then increases. So that is called U-shaped curve. Sometimes suppose frequency 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the frequency firstly decreasing 10, 8, 6, 3, 5, 9, 12. So in these conditions, the frequency firstly is decreasing and then increasing. Then it looks like a alphabet of English U. So this type of the curve will call U-shaped curve. If there is a sharp decrease in frequency and sharp increase in frequency, suppose frequency is 10, 8, 6, 4, 1, 4, 6, 10, 1, 4, 6, 8. So in this particular condition, frequency at a speed decreasing and same speed it is increasing. 10, 8, 6, 4, then 1, then 4, 6, 8, 10. So this will be called V-shaped curve. Okay. So many types of the frequency it may be curve. One may be the J-shaped curve, also a frequency curve. If first frequency decrease 10, 8, 2, 10, 12, 20, 50, 100. So first the frequency is decreasing 10, 8, 2, 10, 8, 2, then speedily it is increasing. So this is like a J for Jack, alphabet of J. So this curve will be called J-shaped curve. So we are having so many types of the frequency curve. Already we have discussed 3 or 4 types of the frequency curve, which may be having age depend on the frequency. Generally our frequency firstly increases and decreases. So that is called bell-shaped curve. If you will go to temple, you will having a bell. So first frequency increases, then frequency decreases. So many, if size of collar, size of foot, this generally this increases and after this decreases. Like suppose this is 8 number shoes, this is 6 number shoes, 7 number, 8 number, maximum 9 number, then decreases 10 number shoes, 11 number, 12 number. So size of footprint is, so that is a bell-shaped curve is called. One more type of the frequency curve there may be J-shaped. Next we should having cumulative frequency curve. For calculating median value, cumulative frequency is very important. So we are having another one frequency curve that is called cumulative frequency curve, and Galter curve also we will discuss. Next one is cumulative frequency curve. Cumulative frequency curve. To calculate the value of median, we are having graphical solution also. We can calculate value of Q1, Q3, value of percentile, value of decile, value of octile, value of median. All these depend on the Ojai curve, or we will say that is cumulative frequency curve. So how to calculate, how to use this we will discuss in this. So I am having an example for the cumulative frequency curve. Class X is given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Frequency is given 4, 10, 20, 30, 55, 77, 95 and 100. Cumulative frequency is given. Already directly cumulative frequency is given. So the frequency may be, CF I am shifting here 4, 10, 20, 30, 55, 77, 95 and 100. So the frequency will be 4, 6, 10, then 25. 77 minus 55. That is 22. 95 minus 77. That is 18 and 5. So this is our frequency. Frequency is 4, 6, 10, 10, 25, 22, 18, 5. Getting this 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 25 is 55, 55 plus 22 this. If we are to calculate median, median is called size of n plus 1 upon tooth item value. So the size of 100 plus 1 upon tooth item value, that is 50.5th item value. So here the median value is 25. If we were to calculate Q1, that is size of n plus 1 upon 4th item value, then this will be size of 100 plus 1 upon 4th item value. So 101 divided by 4. 101 divided by 4, that is 25.25. 25.25 firstly include here. So the value of Q1 will be 20. Similarly, Q3 value is to calculate, that is size of 3n plus 1 upon 4th item value. So that is 3 multiply 100 plus 1 upon 4th item value, that is 75.75. So here will be this value Q3 will be 30. So with the help of, already we have discussed this method in the measurement of center tendency. Now with the with the help of the cumulative frequency curve, we will decide this. So very first I am noting here, so Q1 is equal to 20, M is equal to 25 and Q3 value calculated is 30. Now with the help of the graph, we will calculate the value of Q1, Q3 and Q1, Q3 and median. So I am having cumulative frequency curve here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 90 and 100. Okay. So this is CF. We will plot the CF first. Here the class is 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we will having the cumulative frequency curve on 5, that is 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So we will plot firstly CF. CF is 4. That may be 5, 4. Then 10. Then 20. Then 30. In 20, 30. Then 55. 50 and 5, 8, 25. Then 77. 70 plus 7, 8. 35, 8, 30 is 77. Then 95, 90 plus 5 in 35. And last 40, 100 is over there. So this is called ogive curve. CF curve. For getting the median value shows the 50% of the data. So we will having the perpendicular on the 50%. So the value of median, just it may be 25. If we want 25% over their data, so 25 Q1, this is value of median. Q1, if we are to calculate Q1, so just it nearby by 20. If you will go to the graph paper, you will get accurate answer. If 75 is over there, so the value will be 30. So here the value of Q1, M and Q3. So with the help of this, you may having value of Q1, value of median and value of Q3. So this is called ogive curve. With the help of the cumulative frequency curve, we can calculate all the partition value like quartile, decile, octile, percentile, pentile, median. Each and everything we can calculate. When you draw on the graph paper, you will get accurate result. Here our what we are having, we are not having equal distances over there. We are just approximation to assume that this is a graph paper, but this is not a real graph paper is over there. So some different may be over there. So with the help of this, you may be having some median value or partition value with the help of this. Now one more diagram which is to discuss here, that is called Galton methods of calculating a median. I am having a questions related to this, that is called Galton method. Determine the value of median from the following data by Galton method. Galton method. X is given 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Frequency is given 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 2. So in Galton method, we change the frequency into percentage and getting the median value with the help of the percentage, that is called Galton method. We will calculate cumulative frequency 1, 4, 6, 11, 14, 18. So total value is 18. So similarly, for getting the median, firstly we were having 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, then that is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. So this will be our graph paper like this. So the very first on 21 frequency is 1, then cumulative frequency is 4, then cumulative frequency is 6, then CF is 11, at 24 11 is over there, then 14 is over there, at 25 14 is over there, then 16 is over there, frequency 16 at 26, and last is this. So this is our ogive curve. Now if we are to calculate the value of median, so the 50% of the data is 9, for percentage 50%. So at 9 the median value will be like this. So with the help of Galton, firstly we will having the ogive curve, then if we are to calculate median, then we having 50% of the frequency. If we are want to calculate Q1 value, so 18 divided by 4, so 4.5, this is 4.5, this will be value of Q1. If we are to calculate Q3 value, so 18 divided by 3, 75%, 18 divided by 18 multiplied by 0.75, so the frequency is 13.5, so 13.5, so the value of Q3 will be like this. So in this is Q3, this is median value, this is Q1 value. So in Galton method we are having perpendicular, firstly we will having cumulative frequency curve, then CF divided, firstly 50% of the CF, that is 9, 18 divided by 9 divided by 2, that is 9. So we are having a perpendicular from the 9. 18 divided by 4 for Q1 M. So there will be 18 divided by 4. So 18 divided by 4, that is 4.5. So we were having one perpendicular from, this is 5 and this is 4.5. For getting Q3 we will having 3, 18 divided by 3 multiply 18 divided by 4, that is 13.5. So we were having one perpendicular from 13.5 to get the result of Q3. So this is also a method to calculate partition value and median. This is called percentile method, and this method was given by the Galton. So this method also, on the name of Galton, this method may be called the Galton method. One more things which is to discuss, that is called equation methods of graphical equation method. Suppose a equation is given, how to draw the equation on a graph? Suppose in least square method we are given equation, that is y is equal to 2 plus 2x. Suppose this equation is given to us and we are to draw a graph, y is equal to 3 plus 2x. Suppose equation is y is equal to 3 plus 2x. If we are putting the value of x is 0, then y will be 3. Putting value x is 1, then that will be 5. Putting value 2, 4 plus 3, that is 7. Putting value 3, 3 2 ja 6, that is 9. Putting the value 4, 2 ja 8 plus 3, 11. Putting the value is 5, that 13. So if we are having a equation, that there also we can draw that equation on the graph paper. Here y is equal to 3 plus 2x, so y is equal to 3 plus 2x raised to 0, so y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 plus 2, x value is 1, so y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 3 plus 2, x value is 2, 4 plus 3, that is 7. So this value also we can plot on the graph paper. No problem at all. We are having graph paper 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y value 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is Y value and this is X value. So on 0, X is 3. Then 1, that is 5. Then on 2, 7. So this will like this. A straight line. Because 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So that may be. This is called a equation. How to plot equation on graph paper? It's very easy. You can having the different value of x like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you may draw a graph. One next, if we are having some more difficult equation is over there, there also you can having the graph, no problem at all. Suppose our equation are like this. That was the simple equation, but now suppose my equation is parabolic. Y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, that is parabolic. Suppose I am having y is equal to 10 plus 5x plus 2x square. This parabolic equation I am to draw on the graph paper. So the value of x putting 0, 1, 2, 3, the value of y. If I am putting the value of 0 on graph paper, so the y will be thus plus 5 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0, that is 10. If I am writing x is 1, then y is equal to 10 plus 5, x is 1, plus 2, x is 1 square. So y is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 2, that is 17. If I am putting value of x is 2, then y is equal to 10 plus 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. So y is equal to 10 plus 4 to the 8, that is 28. If I am putting value of x is 3, then y is equal to 10 plus 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. So that is 10 plus 15 plus 2 multiply 9. So 10 plus 15 plus 18, that is 43. So in parabolic situation also you may be plot on the graph paper. If you are to draw the graph paper, no problem at all. You can having the value of this is x item, this is y item, and this is x item. 0, 43 up to 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 45, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. On 1, first one is 0. Second one is 17. So 15 and 2, that is 17. Third one is 28. So 25 plus 2 and 28. Fourth one is 43. So 45 is over there, that is 43. 1, 2, 3. So that graph may be in this shape. So if parabolic graph is over there, there also you can draw the graph, no problem at all. So I think we have discussed a lot of questions related to the graphical presentation of data. I think these video will be help you to know how to plot the data on the graph. This knowledge already you may be gain in lower classes also, but just to repeat, I have explained this. I think this all video will be helpful for you to know. Thank you very much.